Good morning. Happy Saturday. I'll try to get this out Saturday. But we got breakfast. And chest day. So pre-workout, French toast, chest day. So we got chest day. We're in the car. Probably gonna hit some incline dumbbell, and then a machine, and then a fly, because that's literally what I do every single chest day. I like to keep it pretty simple. But after chest day, I got a couple things I want to try to do. So cue the chest day edit, and I will see you after.
So if you're lonely, you know I'm here waiting for you. I'm just a crosshair, I'm just a shot away from you. And if you leave here, you leave me broken, shattered and alive. I'm just a crosshair, I'm just a shot, then we can die.
Chest and shoulders have been completed. It is getting windy. Originally, I kind of wanted to try to go fishing today, but it might be difficult to cast into this wind. So instead, I need to go buy some stuff. Here, I'll just show you. This isn't obvious. I'm going snowboarding soon, and the one thing about snowboarding is it's always fun to get new gear. And last year I got new bibs and a new jacket, but this year there's a couple things that I want to upgrade. You see, this is my Never Summer. It's a Never Summer snowboard, you know, it's nice. But these bindings are like $20 Solomon bindings that I got off Craigslist about like 10 years ago. So I want to upgrade these bindings to some nicer ones. They work fine, but they're starting to shred a little bit. And yeah, I think it's just time for an upgrade. Now, it can be kind of expensive, but I think we can manage. So we're gonna go buy some new bindings and put them on. Another thing too is I have this entire box of snow gear, right? And in this entire box, I don't own a helmet. If I fall, I kind of want a helmet. So yeah, we're gonna look for a helmet too, and then maybe we'll get a full try-on with exactly what I'm going to look like in a couple weeks. We're going to Mammoth. But yeah, I'm going to shower because gym, and we're going to go buy some stuff and put it on boards. Cool. The bag has been secured. I also got a new hat. But so let me show you the haul. We got a new helmet, a Smith. This was a late Christmas present from the brother. There it is. Now I won't hurt myself. Or if I do hurt myself, I did something extremely bad. Alright, now that we're safe and protected, secondary. We got some Union Forces. These are some new bindings for the snowboard. They are a pretty big upgrade compared to what I usually have. Binding tools. The big reveal in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, fancy. Boom. They're like this off-white color, and then they have the Union backsplash on them. But yeah, they look pretty good. Anyways, now I have to figure out how to attach them to the board. Oh, and I almost forgot. I got some crab grab gloves. They got crab grab on them. And some socks. I'm excited though for first snowboard trip of the year. This might be the only snowboard trip of the year, especially with prep coming up. But California hasn't gotten that much snow yet. I'm hoping the snow is pretty good. But yeah, we'll see. I did get a new action camera, so I just picked up a I used it in the last video actually, but a DJI something. It's DJI's action camera. So I'll bring that on the mountain with me. And that'll be fun. But for now, we're just trying to get these all set up. Oh, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. One more to go. Guess I should try them with the boots on. There's only one way to do this. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I think this is the proper attire to try this out on. Alright, I think these feel pretty good. Now, I just have to wait for 2 weeks and then get up on the mountain. But, so, thank you guys for watching. I know this is a different type of video, but here we are. And I am overheating, but I'd like to say thanks for watching. I gotta clean up this mess, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out. Peace.